There is a new free skip tracing platform that is 1,000,000 times more accurate than TruePeopleSearch.com. I never thought I'd live to see the day of a website that is even more accurate, it's very scary accurate, than TruePeopleSearch.com. This is a website that is going to change the wholesaling real estate game for people that don't have a lot of money or no money at all, so you can get people's phone numbers absolutely for free. The reason about how I actually found this website is like nobody ever talks about it, but people started randomly calling me on my phone. And I'm like, how do you guys get my phone number? TruePeopleSearch.com doesn't have it. You pay for skip tracing platforms, you can't even get my personal phone number. But this one website had it. Then I started looking at every other lead I had. I started cross-referencing it, and I found this platform is 2 to 3 times way more accurate than TruePeopleSearch.com, and it's on par to a lot of the paid skip tracing platforms. The issue is because it is free, you're going to have to manually put in the information. But I can tell you right now, this is going to be a game changer. I know it's cringy to say the word game changer, but it truly is going to be a game changer for new wholesalers out here that have no money and they want to skip trace. So without further ado, let's get into it. So here it is. This is the website. It is CyberBackgroundChecks.com. Trust me, this might not seem like an advanced tool right here, but it is the most insane free skip tracing website I have personally found. Anyone's information, I can instantly find it and get everything I need. So for example, we're just going to go quick here. I can go do like a Linda Smith in like Arlington, Alabama, or I'll just put Alabama. And what it's going to do is just show me all the Linda Smiths in Alabama. Now I don't know how YouTube's going to react to this video, so I might have to get rid of the phone numbers here, but look at all this information. You got where they live, where they used to live. You can click the thing here. It gives you on this address who else lives there and their phone numbers. You get other observed names, you get relatives. So if this person, I can't get their information, I click the relative and then boom, phone numbers like this pop up right here. You get email addresses, prior addresses, and all this insane information that really is never before seen. You can even go here and go by address and just search the address of a property. That's probably where most people are gonna have the best success. So like 233 Main Street in like Texas, I can search that. So let's use an example like this for a property, and let's put that there, and you search it and then boom, from the address, people's information pops up right there. It's insane how this information just gets out there, and it's pretty cool. I can even go by phone number, like who called me. I can even go by email and then go crazy on all this information. The best part about this is it's absolutely free and it costs zero money. You can literally find people that have code violations, government lists, your drive for dollars, and it works really well. One really cool strategy I could tell you with this website, because how fast you can actually search with your mobile phone with, is if you go out here and let's say you drive for dollars and you find an ugly looking house. All you need to do is take a picture or get the address of that ugly house, go search the address inside of CyberBackgroundChecks.com, get their phone number, copy and paste, and you can just text them a picture of the house like, hey, is everything okay going on around the property? Is everything okay at the house? And you'll actually go out here and get texts and calls back. This website is a complete game changer for anybody going out here and wanting to get anyone's phone number for free. Now, still, if you can't get their information on here, it's gonna be very hard to find it. Paid skip tracing does help a lot in bulk, but really this is gonna be the best skip tracing platform you can possibly do. If you compare this to like the premium paid stuff on White Pages or People Finder, it's pretty much the same thing. So this is literally like getting a $10 or $12 a month service and platform absolutely for free. Remember, it's CyberBackgroundChecks.com, and it's something you need to be using. So remember, don't make I can't skip trace or I can't find somebody's phone number as the issue, or I just don't have the money for it. It's absolutely for free and it's right here, and it costs zero money at all. So I know this is a big announcement. I'm super excited about it. So make sure you go to CyberBackgroundChecks.com. I don't waste any more time. You go there, you get someone's phone number, and it's going to change the game when it comes out here to finding anyone's phone number for free. Now, the reason why I actually am allowed to say this video today is CyberBackgroundChecks actually had all of my personal information. It's kind of scary. It had where I lived, it had every previous address I ever lived on, and my phone number, and then my old phone number. Rick's personal address, every address Rick's ever lived on in his entire life is on there, and his 3 phone numbers he had for all of his previous business stuff and current business stuff. My mom's info was on it, my sister's info. It was actually really scary, the amount of information that was on there, and it really worried me. So yes, I will let everybody know here, the reason why I feel comfortable making this video today is because you can actually get your information removed on the website, and that's why I'm giving it to you right now. I didn't want to dox myself, but if you just go here and click remove my record, you can put your information here. You're gonna have to email and reconfirm confirm it. But if you go here and you get a little scared, right, that, oh my gosh, my information's out here, what do? Oh my gosh, this is so scary, and you don't want this out here, make sure everybody watching this video too does remove their record and request to get rid of their information before you tell other people about it, because you just don't want your personal info going out here. And use it for good purposes, okay? I'm telling you, you can use it to find a lot of cash buyers. You can definitely find anyone's phone number out here. It can give you the advantage in wholesaling real estate. So use this strategy wisely. It was really scary when it came out because all the information it had on me. But let me tell you this, if you're looking to get anyone's phone number free, just go to CyberBackgroundChecks.com. And if you like me presenting new information and new awesome things like this, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, go to freewholesaling.com, my free wholesaling course, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.